Hello, thank you, and welcome to the screencast. Today I'm going to talk about shipping great software on time. A quick introduction about me. I'm a software programmer with passion towards user experience and creativity. As you can see on the screen, you can follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/Jollson. Also, you can email me at jollson@hotmail.com. So let's start. So this is the agenda for this screencast. I'm going to talk about 21 thumb rules for shipping great software on time. So I invite your attention to what you see on the screen. The outcome of a software development project depends very much on the development methodology and the excellence of tools. That is true, but nothing indicates success as much as our ability to focus on few critical and conceptually simple things. So those simple non-technical things determine the success. I'm going to talk about those simple non-technical things that determine the success of your organization, the success of the software development. So this is a quick introduction. Shipping great software on time is a difficult, but it's not an impossible task. Okay, when I say that is difficult, that's not at all. It's not so much difficult, but it is possible. So making sure that you follow the right process, you work with the right people, you work on the right time, and you use the right tools, so you can make sure that you succeed in whatever you do. So elements you think would most count for very little. So the methodology, the technical pros, the excellence of tools, the depth of project management skills, all influence the outcome of a software development project. But again, I repeat, nothing indicates success as much as our ability to focus on few critical and conceptually simple things. So I'm going to talk about the thumb rules that comes under on time first, and then I'm going to talk about the thumb rules that comes under great software. Then at last I'm going to talk about the thumb rules that comes under shipping. Alright, let's start. The first thumb rule that comes under on time is do not know what you do not know. The human nature is such that we dislike not knowing things that are important to our well-being. So never profess to know things that which is unknown. So that is absolutely fine to let others know that you don't know something, so that that will help you to understand the requirements correctly. So the second thumb rule is get to a non-state and stay there. So as you can see on there, so understanding the non-state as a milestone and to stay there is very, very important. The third thumb rule is remember the triangle. A triangle has got three edges. Okay, so as you can see on the slide, the three things are resources, features, and schedule. So changing one definitely impact the other. Okay, so that's remember the triangle. To make a triangle stable is very, very important. The fourth thumb rule is do not go dark. Okay, as you can see at the bottom in green color, team interdependency is also a powerful motivational force. The team should communicate each other and to share their knowledge. Okay, the fifth thumb rule is use zero defect milestones. The team develop extraordinary focus and introspection about each and every milestone. That is very, very important. Okay, the sixth thumb rule that comes under on time is beware of a guy in a room. Okay, as you can see on the bottom, never give a chessboard to Sachin Tendulkar is the world famous cricket player from India. So never give a chessboard to Sachin Tendulkar and a cricket bat to Vishwanath Anand is a world famous chess player from India. So you have to identify the right talents and assign the right task to the right people. Okay, the seventh thumb rule is never trade a bad date for equally bad dates. You have to get a transparent vision about the progress making by your team. So never trade a bad date for an equally bad date. This is very, very important. The eighth thumb rule is when slipping, do not fall. So a good slip should be net positive, but you have to learn lessons. So there is nothing called failure. You have to learn lessons from failures. Okay, the ninth thumb rule is law technology is good. Keep in mind that the customers would almost always see progress rather than promises. Okay, you give promise to your customers, but the progress is what they're looking for. And the 10th thumb rule is enrapture the customer. The key in this slide is the tenacity. Tenacity is something, the ability of the team to envision, to identify the requirements that is there in the subconscious mind of your customers. Okay, while good listening, careful observation, the concept testing, this is very important. The other one is evolve it. That's very, very important. Software is not manufactured, that evolves from different iteration and brainstorming. Establish a shared vision, very, very important. Get the team into shipping mode, important. And the conclusion is this. So I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, ship mode is basically the succession of a daily milestone climaxing with the product shipment. So as you can see that if a team is to reach its potential, each player must be willing to subordinate his personal goals to the good of the team. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any question, please mail me at jollson@hotmail.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.